Dr. Anand Ranganathan, I want to ask you, जब तक नसीरुद्दीन शाह कह रहे थे CAA is bad, as a Muslim it's difficult for me to live in India, it's difficult for Muslims to survive in India, he was their poster boy. Today, Nasiruddin Shah says supporting Taliban means going back to very, very hardline Islam, something that is completely contrary to what present day modern Islam should be, and today he's been panned as an anti-Islamist. How do you see this doublespeak, this hypocrisy by this lobby who till yesterday celebrated Nasiruddin Shah as their poster boy?
No, good evening, Navika. I sympathize, I even commiserate with Mr. Nasiruddin Shah. He is a bad believer, one who follows the religious diktats only selectively. And Navika, to be honest with you, the world is peaceful in large measure because to be a bad believer can also mean to be a good human being. Nasiruddin is a Muslim who is Islamophobic. He fears Islam. He fears to make public the Islamic scriptures and verses in their entirety because he fears being called an illiberal. Look, a Muslim who believes in the Sharia and every single word that there is in the Holy Book is a good Muslim. While a Muslim who drinks, fornicates, indulges in idle talk or music, supports Muslim women who reject the burqa, draws a portrait of whosoever he wishes to, marries a non-Muslim, is homosexual, gives equal share of inheritance to male and female, and is fine with all his fellow Muslims being all of the above, is a bad Muslim. And this is not me saying it. It is Allah himself. What's more, just who is a good believer or Muslim has been explicitly defined in the Holy Book 3336, 3132, 82, 49, 50. Now let's take the Taliban and their strict orders relating to women. Nasiruddin rightly condemns them and their diktats. But yet again, and deceivingly perhaps, he is snaring the fundamentalists but sparing the fundamentals. The Taliban are only following Sharia and the word of Allah on how a woman should dress, 2431, 3359, 726, on how a wife should behave, 434, on when a woman can be flogged, 24-212. So who is a good Muslim here, Navika? Point number 2, Nasiruddin is wholly confused and deliberately confusing people when he says there is an Indian version of Islam. Does he mean this Indian Islam doesn't believe in the Holy Book and all its verses? That it condemns the commandments of Allah on Jews, Christians, polytheists, homosexuality, apostasy, heresy, dress code, wife beating, blasphemy? There are no versions of Islam. There is the Holy Book, and you are a good Muslim only if you follow it entirely. And by the way, was it this Indian version of Islam that prompted millions of Indian Muslims to pour onto the streets and demand the beheading of Kamlesh Tiwari? Finally, Navika, I know the response to my argument, as always, is going to be that I am quoting verses out of context. That why don't you quote Manu Smriti and its violence verses? That being a kafir, I cannot quote verses that only Muslims can quote. So why don't you quote these verses then? Quote 434, quote 3359, quote 3357. Prove me wrong, na? But you won't quote these Muslims, won't quote because they are scared. Finally, just 10 seconds. 2 years ago, the same Nasiruddin Shah peddled fake selective narrative of intolerance. You want to talk of intolerance, Nasiruddin? What is the cost of apostasy in your religion, Islam? Death. What is the cost of apostasy in Hinduism? I'll tell you. Veneration, applause, devotion, bhakti, Bharat Ratna. आईना साफ मत करो नसीरुद्दीन, अपने चेहरे से धूल हटाओ।
डॉक्टर आनंद रंगनाथन, तकलीफ तो माजिद हैदरी जैसे लोगों को हो गई है क्योंकि उनको समझ ही नहीं आ रहा है। कल तक नसीरुद्दीन शाह कह रहा था कि यहाँ इंटॉलरेंस है, मुसलमानों का रहना मुश्किल हो गया है, CAA के द्वारा मुसलमानों को निकाला जा रहा है यहाँ इस देश से, और आज वही कह रहे हैं कि इस्लाम का जो एक दहशी दरिंदे जैसा जो हम देख रहे हैं रूप, वो हमारे को सपोर्ट नहीं करना चाहिए। अब इनको समझ नहीं आ रही कि कहना क्या चाहते।
नहीं नाविका, I hope you don't chase me with a broom and thrash me, but I'm afraid I'm totally on the side of Majid Hydari tonight, and I completely disagree with you and my good friend Amit Malvi, because Majid Hydari is the manifestation of what a good Muslim should be. नजरुद्दीन शाह इज नॉट अ गुड मुस्लिम भाई, मैंने आपको वही बताया, वो इस्लामोफोबिक है। माजिद हायदरी को इस्लामोफोबिया नहीं है,
कल तक तो नहीं था, आज हो गया है।
प्लीज लेट मी फिनिश। वो गर्व से कहते हैं कि तालिबान इज फॉलोइंग द वन एंड ट्रू इस्लाम। नाउ आई गेव यू, नाउ हैदरी डोंट इंटरप्ट, आई एम टेकिंग योर साइड, यू शुड बी प्राउड ऑफ दैट, एटलीस्ट वन पर्सन इज विद यू। नाउ आई गेव यू एग्जांपल, Taliban are following the Allah's commandment of how women should dress. 24, 31, 33, 59, 726. अभी नजरुद्दीन को पता है कि नहीं पता? Taliban are following how wives should behave in front of husbands or lightly beaten. 434. Does Nazuddin know this? No. Majid Hydari knows this. Taliban are following when women can be flogged.
What is wrong in hijab? What is wrong with
burqa? मैं कह रहा हूँ भाई, wrong.
What is wrong in hijab? What is wrong in hijab? You are asking Majid. But Dr. Anand Ranganathan, the context has become the story, not the feeling, not the sentiment, and not the issue that he has actually raised.
Yes. Now, two very quick 2 points. Navika, I hope I'll be given chance to talk uninterrupted. Number one, Ms. Halim is totally wrong when she says that Nasiruddin was not talking of any community when he was talking of lynching. That's totally incorrect. He was talking of Hindu mobs lynching Muslims, and that is amply clear by the ad in which he appears for amnesty. Now, number two, Navika, I cannot speak like this because they are so scared. They won't let me speak. इतना डर का माहौल है, इतना डर का माहौल है कि ये बोलने नहीं दे रहे।
For you, it's in front of me, and you tell me when I'm wrong.
Navika,
so
Navika,
today,
Saira Shah Halim, tonight, pardon my saying so, but tonight Amit Malviya and Dr. Anand Ranganathan are in a minority because there is Saira Shah Halim, there is Tausif Ahmed, there is Mujibur Rahman and Majid Hydari. So, आप थोड़ा सा माइनॉरिटीज को बोलने दें। आज की माइनॉरिटी में डॉक्टर आनंद रंगनाथन है।
Diverse views, no. We all have diverse views, Navika. All three of us from the minorities have diverse views here. So nobody.
Navika, can I?
अच्छा, Saira Shah Halim, I don't know why you would not allow. Why wouldn't you be so tolerant as to allow Dr. Anand Ranganathan to respond to you? I'll give you, if you have to rebut him, I'll give you an opportunity to do so.
Yeah. Please respond.
Well, I hope I will not be. Yes. इस्लामोफोबिया आ गया, मनुस्मृति आ गया, कॉन्टेक्स्ट आ गया। अरे कुछ और बचा है? इतनी नफरत क्यों है? कौन सी किताब पढ़ते हो हर रोज जो काफिरों से इतनी नफरत है? Anyway, Navika, number one, when Nasiruddin went and said India is intolerant and talking of lynching, did he ever talk of the lynching by Muslim mob of a Hindu by calling him kafir? Did he ever talk of Muslim mobs refusing or beating up a Dalit just because he was wearing a Pathan suit? Did he ever talk of a Muslim mob segregating a bus and removing and saying all the Muslims go away, all the Hindus remain? He was selectively talking about the Hindu mobs, and that was the problem at that point of time. क्योंकि सिलेक्टिविटी में वो सिर्फ हिंदू मॉब की मुस्लिम लिंचिंग के बारे में बात कर रहे थे, दूसरी तरफ की बात ही नहीं कर रहे थे। As we have seen, that was the narrative and that is why I picked up Amnesty International. उनकी वेबसाइट पे जाके आप देखेंगे जो उनका हेट क्राइम चेकिंग है उसमें हिंदू परसिक्यूशन है ही नहीं। So please don't talk about facts. Number two, सायरा हलीम ये कह रहे, इतना डर गई है। देखो माजिद हायदरी ने क्या कहा कि I believe in every verse of Quran. What did Saira say? I don't believe. She didn't say that I don't believe in the verses of Quran. She said I don't believe in Majid Hydari. इतना डर है और ये कह रही है इस्लाम प्रोग्रेसिव है। So I'll just quote 434. I will ask her that if she believes this is progressive, if she believes I am misquoting, then let her quote 434. Here is 434. Men are in charge of women by right of what Allah has given one over the other and what they spend on maintenance from their wealth. So righteous women are devoutly obedient, guarding in the husband's absence what Allah would have them guard. But those wives whom you fear arrogance, first advise them. Then if they persist, forsake them in bed. And finally, strike them. If she believes this is progressiveness, let me also tell her that Allah expressively forbids menstruating women from touching the Holy Quran.
Let me finish.
222. अगर हिम्मत है तो ये कह दो कि 434 कह दो, डरो नहीं। Majid Hydari is not scared.
Can I finish? Navika, can I respond to him?
Yes, please.
Respond to him?
Okay. Saira Shah Halim, respond to Dr. Anand Ranganathan.
Why respond? Quote 434. Quote it.
So firstly, he calls